Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making this delicious Njanga rice recipe. For our ingredients, you're going to need your rice, any rice of your choice. You're also going to need red oil. There's no Njanga rice without red oil. You're also going to be needing dried fish, and then the star of the dish, which is our crayfish or Njanga. You need your garlic and ginger. You need some onions. Some people go ahead and add tomatoes, but that's too modern for Njanga rice. So you need Maggi crevette, and then salt, and then some white pepper. So it's really like you just need very few ingredients. You can add more, you can take out some people don't even put onions. In fact, our grandma's traditional Njanga rice, okay, you just have salt, pepper, Njanga, and then your rice, and of course your red oil. Any other thing is just an addition, okay? But yeah, this Njanga rice tasted so delicious, reminded me of grandma's cooking. So we started by putting our oil in the pot, and then we added in our onions, we added now our crayfish. At this point, the flavors in your kitchen, oh my goodness, the mixture of crayfish and onions, amazing. So whenever I'm making Njanga rice, I like to use Maggi crevette. Yeah, so I added my white pepper, my Maggi crevette, my fish. I'm just going to combine it together. I'll add my rice later on, add water, and our Njanga rice is gonna be ready. There are just sometimes that I'm just like, I want to eat proper Njanga rice. Like, do you know what they call Njanga rice? I keep calling it Njanga rice. Do you know? Have you ever tasted it? If not, you want to go ahead and try. Not every time jollof rice, every time jollof rice. Sometimes make Njanga rice. So I just added my garlic and ginger paste. In fact, authentic Njanga rice, I don't think we used to add garlic and ginger paste. Drop it in the comment section. Have you ever tasted your grandma's Njanga rice? I don't think they used to be garlic and ginger. But yeah, I added garlic and ginger to this one, and then I put in my rice. I'll add some water, and then I'll just taste it to see if it tastes good. And if it's good, I'm going to close my pot and then allow it to cook. You guys, I don't think you can make Njanga rice using groundnut oil. Drop it in the comment section if you've ever made Njanga rice with groundnut oil. How did it turn out? I know it's not going to have that traditional earthy kind of flavor, but I know that with food, when it comes to food, when it comes to recipes, you can never say never. So I went ahead to add some water, and then after I had tasted it, I realized that it needed a little more seasoning. So I came in with my seasoning cubes. Close your pot. 30 minutes later, rice is ready. Our Njanga rice is ready. At this point, the house was just giving Njanga rice. Try out this recipe. Come back to tell us how it turned out. If it's your first time here and you are not subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.